Dear student, welcome to your maths class. Today we are here to discuss chapter number 1, number system. We are on exercise 1.5 and 1.6. We will complete today. First question is classify rational and irrational number. We have to classify which are rational and irrational. We know that rational number are in the form of p by q and irrational number will be in the form of root. So from these we have to classify. By simply looking at that statement, I can say that this is an irrational number. But solve it. Root 7 cancel. It's 2 by 7. So it means this is a rational number. Next is, I can't solve it. It's 1 by root 2. So it is a irrational number. Okay. Next third one is 3 minus root 23 plus root 23. So by simply I can say this is irrational, but no, I will solve it. Minus 23 plus 23 cancel, 3 is left. I can write as 3 by 1. So this is in the form of p by q. So this is a rational number. We have to solve, then we can say that this is a rational or irrational number. Okay, next topic is, next is rationalize. If we are going to solve a statement and there is a denominator in irrational number, then we can't give answer as a denominator irrational number. We have to solve it, elaborate it. Then how can I solve? I will multiply root 7 in numerator and denominator both. 1 multiply root 7, it's root 7. Root 7 into root 7, it's 7. Multiply of root 7 into root 7 is 7. So my denominator is in a number. So this is right. But if there is a sign of minus and there are two numbers, how can I do rationalize? I will rationalize with the opposite sign. I will take plus sign. If there is a minus, I will take plus, and if there is a plus, I will take minus. By opposite sign, I have to multiply numerator and denominator. Now, by 1 multiplied it, so my answer is numerator this one, and in downside, a minus b, a plus b. It means a square minus b square. Upper side is same, and here is 7 root square, root cancel with square. So 7 minus 2 2s are 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. So this is my answer. My denominator is in rational form. Okay. Our next topic in exercise 1.6 is laws of exponent, that you have earlier studied in junior classes also. If base are same, there is sign of multiplication, then powers will be added. Same as if base are same, sign of division, then power will be subtracted. Third one is if there are two powers, they are multiplied. If base is not same, power is same, then we do same operation with it as a into b power p. If there is a division, then we will divide the base. Okay, plus minus we will not solve like this. Now find 9 power 3 by 2. If I have factors of 9, 3 power 2, I can write it 9 as 3 power 2, and outward side is 3 into 2. We know that if 2 powers they are multiplied. When I multiplied, I got my answer 3 power 3. It means 3 into 3 into 3. My answer will be 27. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. Next question we will solve as if base is same, multiply sign, then powers will be added. So it means 2, we will add the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. We know that by rational number, if we want to add them, we have to make the base same. Then by butterfly way, I will try to solve it. You can use two methods as base same or butterfly. I use butterfly way. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13, and downward side is 5 3s are 15. This is my answer. By laws of exponents, I have solved this problem. Other question you will try by yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.